To install the front 8 arm guards on your Polaris XPEDITION, follow these steps. Start by parking the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure it is in park and remove the key. Turn the wheel for improved access. Next, lift the guard into position. Then, loosely install the 3 screws, washers, and clamps on the front side of the guard. Do not torque at this time. Now repeat this process on the rear side of the guard and then torque all screws to specification. Then repeat this process on the opposite side of the vehicle. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.